Gabriel Auto Technician of Laguna Heights reminds you to be ready for the hot days of summer. Get your preventative maintenance now and save money tomorrow. All types of maintenance repairs for your auto and truck. Air conditioning, heating, tune-ups, brakes, transmission, cooling system, fan belt, ball joints. If it's on the car, Gabriel Auto can fix it or replace it. Featuring computerized diagnostics.
We have a 2006 Toyota Corolla S. We need to replace the starter because it does nothing, it won't crank. Starter is right there. This one. I need to remove the fan, radiator fan assembly, so I can have more room right here. So let's remove the assembly. Need to disconnect it. All right. Right there. They replaced the the battery because they thought it was the battery, but usually when the battery goes down, still cranking or do some noises, but this car does nothing. If you turn the key on, try to start the engine, it does any sound, any noise. So it's the starter. Okay, we remove the bolts. Let's remove this one, pull it up. Now we have a little bit of more room right here to remove the starter. It's got two bolts. This one right here. This one right here. And this one right here on top. Right here. And of course the connections. Before we remove this one, this big one, we need to remove the negative terminal on the battery. We don't want to cause a fire because of a short. Okay, right there's the starter. Let's disconnect it. Let's disconnect this small wire. Let me remove this big one. Okay. We need to push this tab right here.
Remind you to be ready for the hot days of summer. Get your preventative maintenance now and save money tomorrow. All types of maintenance repairs for your auto and truck. Air conditioning, heating, tune-ups, brakes, transmission, cooling system, fan belt, ball joints. If it's on the car, Gabriel Auto can fix it or replace it. Featuring computerized diagnostics. Gabriel Auto Technician, 413 Highway 100, Laguna Heights. That's Gabriel Auto Technician, 413 Highway 100
push it in
Laguna
and pull it. Now there's no way you can see better right there. I'm gonna remove this one. It's a number 12. Okay, let's continue. We get this one loose. So now let's remove it. Okay, got the wires out of the way. Now let's remove this real big starter. The solenoid's bigger than the rotor, than the starter. Let's get this one out. Okay. This is not really big job. It's not so hard. Okay. Now this one on top. And now let's get it out. Now let's get this starter out. Okay. Oops. Right here. This is the original one. Unless they took it to the dealer, but actually the dealer sometimes put aftermarket parts. Okay. Got it out. Let's wait for the rebuilt one and install it. We have the reman starter. Okay. Let's put it in. Let's put it on the car.
Okay. Reminds you to be ready for the hot days of summer. Get your preventative maintenance now.
Got the seal in there.
All types of maintenance repairs for your auto.
Make sure it's got
heating,
everything.
tune-ups, brakes, transmission, cooling system, van ball joint. It's on the car. Gabriel Auto.
Remove it again.
Featuring computerized diagnosing. Gabriel Auto Technician, 413 Highway 100, Laguna Heights. That's Gabriel Auto Technician, 413 Highway 100 in Laguna Heights.
Okay, got it in. Okay, let's put the other one. All right, let's get this one tight. Okay. Now this one, right there. Let's connect the wiring. I like to use the old nuts, but because it's wider right here, but I'm gonna have to use the new one better, because the lock washer, it's good, and this one it's already flat, so let's get it tight. It's at 12. No, changes to 13. This one you need to get it tight, but don't put too much pressure, because right here it's plastic. There's a plastic, so just get it tight, not real tight.
Gabriel Auto Technician of
You can
Laguna
break
Heights
the
reminds you to be ready for the
solenoid.
holidays of summer. Get your preventative maintenance
Plastic.
now and save money tomorrow.
Now let's
All types of
connect this
maintenance
one.
repairs for your auto and truck. Air conditioning, heating, tune-ups, brakes, transmission, cooling system,
Right there.
fan duct, fog
We
roof.
got it.
It's on the car.
Before
Gabriel
I
Auto
put
can fix it or replace it.
the radiator fan assembly, I'm going to start the engine, make sure it's working. I don't want to put this one, and then if it
Highway 100
fails,
in Laguna Heights.
I'm gonna have to remove the fan again. All right. Okay. Right there. Now let's start the engine. See if it's going to crank. Yep, it works. Now let's put the fan back on its place. And that's it. Let's get them tight, not too tight, not crazy tight like somebody said. Okay, let's connect the coolant reservoir and the electrical connector. Right here. That's it. Let's get the terminal tight. Customer replaced the battery thinking it was the problem, but well, it's easy to check a battery. Just turn the lights on. If you got lights, your battery it's okay. Okay, so that's it. We replaced the starter already. We finished. Thank you for watching my videos, and thank you for liking them.
Get your preventative maintenance now and save money tomorrow. All types of maintenance and repairs for your auto and truck. Air conditioning, heating, tune-ups, brakes, transmission, cooling systems, fan belts, ball joints. It's on the car. Gabriel Auto can fix it or replace it. Featuring computerized diagnostics. Gabriel Auto Technician, 413 Highway 100, Laguna Heights. That's Gabriel Auto Technician, 413 Highway 100 in Laguna Heights.